Today Allah agreed with him. He was second caliph of Islam. He was known in justice. He said, anyone who died beside river of Furat, Umar would be answerable to front of Allah in day of judgment. My respectable audience, I tell you short the story. Hazrat Umar, may Allah agree with him, when he impressed with the Islam, he go to with Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. He said, I want to accept the Islam. Every Muslim shouted, Allahu Akbar. Then he was very brave man. When he migrated to Medina, he went unbelievers of Makkah. He said, who want make the window his wife and his children, so just face with the Umar, but no man face him. My respectable audience, once upon he is giving the sermon, one man came and said, O Umar, fire is coming to Medina. Hazrat Umar, may Allah agree with him. He threw the stone and said, go back, and fire the go back. You know very well. And one day, one man came from the Egypt. He said, O Umar, we are sacrificed for river of Nile. When he now sacrificed for river of Nile, he now continue. How Umar said, and take the piece of page and write, you continue, wish of Allah, you continue, and you continue, your wish we have not need. But then, what is the continue? And Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he very conquered once upon, and he conquered Egypt, Rome, Sham, Urdan, Misr, and other place. Once upon, he is giving the sermon. One man came. Suddenly, earthquake. He struck on the earth. He said, stop. Then you know very well, earth is the stop. And he martyred with non-Muslim, by non-Muslim. His name, by non-Muslim servant, his name Abu Lolo. And he made the some rule for the governor, make the discipline, army, police, and economic, and make the system for the government. And he was martyred by non-Muslim. His name Abu Lolo. We should, and he gave us the lesson, we should believe one Allah. I am very thankful to you for listening.